Hey, I'm Fish. I gotta get some stuff. I gotta get those little pieces, a junction box, a cover, and Romex. And off I go. So as we get along to Lowe's, we'll be there soon. Holy cow. We're pulling in. We'll get a spot and get on going. Now I shut my interior light off. Yes, indeed. Oh, I just did a 360. I never knew I could do a 360 like that. Don't you know you could do certain things with cameras? Yeah, man, you can hold it, you can rotate your hand so you can make a nice slow pan move, and so on. Yeah, let's get into the store. Get what we need to be at. Oh, look, I got a B rating here. I wonder why a B rating. I got what I needed, but I didn't get the parts. Now I gotta go to Home Depot. Should have just went to Home Depot to get everything in one shot, but they won't have the cable to go get. Turn the camera around. Watch the plane come in. Yeah, that plane is turning. Let's get going to Home Depot. Do the math here. 78 cents for a 3/8 piece. 4 and change for a 5-pack. It said 10-pack actually. I got confused there. And to get a 25-pack, it was $15. And I just said, you know, getting that small 5-pack was the price to get. If I'm wrong, then I'm going back to go get the pieces. I did the math. I needed 78 cents for one. 450 said 10 count. Didn't say for 5 count. It said 10 count. And that's what threw me off balance. Oh man, my stores went out of business. We'll take the long way around, walk in. Difference in stores, man. Tightness in spots and everything. Look at the rope. I got my parts. I forgot to get a junction box, but I got it here. Everything I need, and off I go. I did it again, man. I left my light on, and I'm waiting for the sound to come on. If you want to use your camera, man, just make sure you get the audio first, and off you go. I'm in no rush. I have a traffic light. I gotta wait for the light to get out, man. So off we go. Got our pots, and we'll do this later. Now I just get my tools ready, and off I go. That's how it is, man. That's how it is. It is what it is. So I had to go piece part shopping. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Take that as a sign. Notice the coloring. As we turn, you're going to see that sky. There, snow plows are out. Now the shot gets ruined by the bump. Did it get ruined because of the bump? Well, as we make this turn, no more. Well, I said what I had to say, did what I had to do, shared what I had to share, and I said so. Now the sun is behind me in red, and what's in front of me is like dark purple. Now, what does the camera show?